Before you start the actual operation, there are some important preparations you need to make. Start by carefully examining the engineering drawing for raw material dimensions and critical tolerances. You must also plan the sequence of operation to ensure minimal number of job holding changes. Work with a mild steel block of the following dimensions: length 170 mm, width 110 mm, thickness 50 mm. Ensure that you use a size that has dimensions more than that of the final piece. Load the required cutters and tools in the magazine. The cutters and tools you will need are: surface milling cutter, end mill cutter, center drill, twist drill. Keep the necessary measuring instruments on standby. To make this workpiece accurately, you will require a vernier caliper, a poppy dial gauge, important preparation steps include: evaluate the engineering drawing, choose the correct raw material, select the milling cutters and other tools, select the measuring instruments.